Hey there, and welcome to my channel, Stitches by Liz.
Here is a quick tutorial on how to change colors on a granny square. So I did 3 sets of double crochets and I am working on the 4th set of double crochets to complete the beginning of my square. I am going to go ahead and do that last double crochet in the magic circle, and I'm going to pull through 2 loops, but those last 2 loops I am going to leave on the hook. Now I will be switching to yellow yarn. This is dark brown yarn. I'm going to cut the brown yarn away, and now I am going to be adding the yellow yarn. To do that, I'm going to pull that yellow yarn through those last 2 loops on my hook, leaving the tail end loose. I'm going to chain 1 and finish off this square with a slip stitch using the yellow yarn. I'm going to chain 3, turn my work, pull those tail ends tight, like so. Oops. And continue working as you would a normal granny square. Once you finish that round of your next color, you're going to do the same thing you did before and leave 2 loops on your hook from that last double crochet. You're going to cut the yellow yarn and add the next color that you choose. Grab that color and pull through those last 2 loops and continue on your granny square. So now that I am at the end of that last round that I made with the light yellow color, I'm going to cut that yellow and add on my next color. I will be using dark blue. So grab the dark blue with your hook and pull through those last loops of that last double crochet. Slip stitch into that following double crochet and continue your granny square. And here is the finished square. If you are unsure of how to make a granny square, please refer to my other videos. This specific granny square is used in my sunflower inspired backpack. Please go check out that video on how to make it. Thanks for watching.